Creating a cloud computing platform is a long and expensive process. This is why every one of them is proprietary, and if public, will always find a way to vendor lock in the users. Taubyte brings an end to that by making building cloud computing platforms a no-brainer. For every host in a cloud, you only need to run these 3 steps. Installing Tau, which can be done using our install script. Creating a configuration for the host, which Tau itself can help with using the generate sub command. And finally, running Tau, though in practice you should make it a service. Repeating the process on other hosts will add capacity to your cloud. If you feel something is off, I get where you're coming from. Unlike what you're used to, Taubyte is autonomous, as it has built-in discovery, adaptive load balancing and routing, horizontal and vertical autoscaling, and more. As soon as one node is online, you can start using the cloud. Though you can use Tau CLI, here I'm using Web Console. I'm creating a project, then creating a serverless function using a template in Go, though you can use other languages like Rust, modifying the return string here, then pushing the changes to GitHub. The Git push will trigger CI/CD, which is another feature of your newly created cloud. Few moments later, I can hit the endpoint, which actually replies in an astonishing 45 milliseconds. Beats Cloudflare every day. I can also create a front end. Here I'm going with a Vue.js template. Under the hood, a repository is created for your website, and changes to the website will trigger deployment. A few moments later, the front end is live. And if you didn't notice yet, the cloud also took care of generating a domain and a valid TLS certificate for both the function and the front end. Taubyte has other capabilities that include libraries, which allow you to create WebAssembly modules, storage, which is a distributed object storage, messaging, which is a powerful pub sub that can bridge to WebSocket, for example. We aim to transform the cloud computing landscape for the better. So this is just the beginning. We will add support for containers, virtual machines, and more.